Ibong. Yaya is Ibong. He is having hard cough. Survive Ibong, ha? I hope this won't be our last video on your month birthday. Babe. Happy birthday. Happy 9 months, Eve. I've been giving him turmeric tea and sunshine every morning. Birthday, Eve. Happy birthday. Happy 9 months. Happy birthday, Eve. My pet name on him is Ebong.
Sumisingit ba ang pagkain sa ilalim ng pustiso?
Who is greeting happy birthday on Eve, ha? Fiang is here. Frank. Kuya George is here. Gain is here. And Etty is here. Healthy. Eve. Happy birthday, Eve. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel Precious Cats of Mama Kids, adding up to our 1,931 subscribers as of February 20, 2024. Since this is a delayed video on Eve, since he's having some sickness for almost 2 weeks. Thank you for hitting the notification bell. Thank you for liking and sharing this video and making and sending encouraging comments. Thank you. Eve, you're standing up now. He's wearing his navy blue scarf, the 6th birthday scarf. This is the 6th birthday scarf of Eve. I did not let him wear the shirts because it's not moving. Almost. Eve, what are you looking on? Fiang. You're thanking Fiang? For greeting you happy. Ayaw, do not quarrel, Eve. Fiang. Do not quarrel. You're being sassy again. Eve is sick. Fiang. Dotted birthday scarf of Eve on his 9th month's birthday. Eve. And we fed him this morning for his breakfast, sardines, and I put some fish oil on it. Eve. During cold season, that's what's happening to our precious cats. Colds and cough. Yes. What are you doing there? Yes. Hi, Kini girl. Kid. Eve. Say thank you. Thank you for watching my birthday video. Thank you for watching my 9 months birthday video. Thank you. What can you say, Fiang? Yes. What yes, very playful. Yes. Eve. Be strong, ha? Mama Kiss will be with you forever.